Welcome to this Pason Minute. This video highlights the EDR and PVT updates for version 25.10. We've improved reliability and performance when working with WITS traces. The WITS received by Pason from other screen now responds more smoothly and avoids freezes during setup. We've also reduced WITS save times. Saving WITS templates now completes faster. We've added support for zero commands from rig control systems via Modbus. When a trace is zeroed via Modbus, the EDR now records a standard zero event and adds a memo noting the source. We've added LCM in and LCM out to the MUD check panel. These values can now be entered manually like other MUD properties, and memos are created automatically when values are set. We've added a new connection torque trace and a new screen for it in the calibration menu. It works with the Pason hydraulic pressure sensor and provides monitoring of the amount of torque applied when screwing or unscrewing a section of pipe to the drill string during trip in and trip out operations. The new directional app is enabled by default for EDR 25.10 and higher. We've added a downloadable survey import (CSV) template in the directional app. You can get it from the import dialog. We've added a new UJB configuration screen in the latest client as a trial. It's disabled by default but can be enabled on request. We've removed the expert password requirement for dual calibration. Crews can now switch between their two calibrations directly from the menu. Additional updates include 2 new boiler pressure traces, 2 new MUD analyzer traces, data hub support for user-calculated traces, and EDR screen support for up to 4 rows of traces. You can now view all your tanks by selecting the Show All Tanks button. Note that this button only appears if the tank bar does not have enough space to show all the tanks. Tank volumes and status now display on the real-time boxes. This feature is enabled by default, but it can be toggled off in the EDR's display settings. All gain-loss traces now ignore the change in volume caused by including or excluding a tank. This provides consistent behavior in smart alarms, smart range, and trip sheet fills. The impacted traces are gain-loss, my gain-loss, shared ABC gain-loss, and trip MUD GL. For more information about new features, enhancements, and fixes, access the release notes or online help file directly from the EDR.